how to set the phone app to open to last view on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. In here, tap on keypad. Then tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on open to last view. And that's it. So if I go to recents and if I go back to my home screen, and now if I reopen the phone application, it will open in my last view. And whereas if I choose open to keypad, you can see here open to keypad. So if I am now in recents and if I close it and reopen the phone app, it will always open to keypad. So the option is there for you to ask the phone app to always open to last view or always open to keypad. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.